Shut up and sit down.
All right, we're back. Next step is to torque the front master cylinder clamp bolts. It is a T27 Torx head to 80 inch-pounds. It's tight. It's also tight. Also, you gotta check the torque on the clutch handle clamp bolt. There's two of them. However, on mine I have this rider's claw that you see here. This is a rider's claw for my cell phone, and I just put this on here. So I know this bolt's already torqued behind it, and that's why this is nice and tight. So I will not be checking that one again. So that's part of your 1,000-mile checklist, and now that's completed.